WAZOBIA food recipe. Do you know the meaning of WAZOBIA? Okay, let me tell you. Hello my viewers! Welcome back to Kamsi Space. This is your girl Kamsi in Kamsi Space. Do you know what we do in Kamsi Space? We make videos on food recipes, vlogs, and lifestyle. Thank you so much for viewing this video. Yeah! Today is Nigeria Independence Day celebration. Happy 60th Independence Day anniversary to my great country, Nigeria. Do you know that Nigeria is the biggest black nation on earth? She has about 250 ethnic groups, and each group has their rich culture and unique food recipe. The major ethnic groups are just three: Igbo, Yoruba, and Hausa. On this special day, I'm going to demonstrate the harmony that exists among these various ethnic groups in Nigeria. So today, I'll be making WAZOBIA food recipe. Do you know the meaning of WAZOBIA? Okay, let me tell you. Wa means come in Yoruba language. Zo means come in Hausa language. And Bia, one name, means come in Igbo language. Interesting, isn't it? So, I'm going to be making oil bean Ugba as the appetizer, and that is an Igbo recipe. And the main course is Tuwo shinkafi Hausa recipe, swallow, and Efo Riro, that is Yoruba recipe, soup. Keep watching. Let's get started. First, I'm gonna start by boiling the meat. Place the meat in a pot and add a little of water, sliced onions, seasoning, salt, and sliced pomo. Allow to boil for 10 minutes before adding the stock fish. While the meat is on heat, I'm going to be grinding the red bell pepper, yellow pepper, crayfish, and onion. Now add small water. Now I'm going to add the stockfish and chicken. Stockfish. Then allow for 10 to 15 minutes. This pot allow it to get dry. Then you add the palm oil. Allow the palm oil to get hot enough before adding the sliced onions and the pepper combination. Now, add in the sliced onions. Allow it to fry and stir it occasionally to avoid burning. Cooked meat and stockfish. Smoked fish. Allow it to simmer for 3 minutes. I'm going to add the Igbo locust beans. Now add the seasoning. The spinach leaves. Add salt to taste. Now I'm going to be making the Tuwo shinkafa. Tuwo shinkafa is a popular food for the Hausa people. It is a swallow made out of rice. So first, I'm going to boil the rice. The rice is ready. Now I'm going to mash it like semo. Now I'll be making Ugba oil bean Igbo recipe. So now put this in a pot, the onion, and add the seasoning and salt, stockfish, and small water. While the Ugba is on heat, I'm going to mix the thickener. It's called encha. So now I have to first mix the potash. Water. Now sieve it into a large bowl. Red oil. Ground yellow pepper, then ground crayfish, then the remaining onion. I remember this song that my grandma used to sing for me whenever she visits. It's an Igbo song. 1960 Nigeria were independence. 1960 Nigeria were independence. Nima fao aiwero yai. Nima fao aiwero yai. Azikiwe Nnamdi Okpara Sinike Anike Wemneri. Happy Independence Day! Dear my viewers, this is the WAZOBIA food recipe I told you about. This is the Tuwo shinkafa and this is Amala. Efo Riro. And the last one, Igbo recipe. oil bean. Wow. Like I said, the Ugba is the appetizer, so that's what we're going to eat first. Then we'll take the Tuwo shinkafi and the Efo Riro. And I also added Amala because my brother will love Amala. My viewers, join my family play the national anthem to celebrate our wonderful country.
Happy Independence Day!
Yeah, my viewers, thank you so much for watching this video. Happy Independence Day once again. If you really like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, like and share. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!